Hi guys, Elledani here, and today I am here with the Allure Beauty Box, which I have actually looked for a subscription box for a long time that was cruelty-free, and I've yet to fully find one that wasn't mostly skincare, but the December box for Allure was actually cruelty-free. I actually looked into each brand to kind of find out, and it turned out that it was. Depending on how that goes in future boxes will definitely depend on whether or not I keep it, but this had a few products that I really couldn't turn down, including the Anastasia Beverly Hills highlighting palette, which I've wanted for a long time, and this box was 15 bucks and $5 off in the month of December, so I kind of jumped at that. So I actually filmed the initial unboxing when I got it, and I have actually dipped into the box since then. Currently, I do have the Anastasia lip color on, and I have the highlighter on, as well as the brow gel that I put on for the video. The first thing that I thought was really cool was the magazine that came with the box, and Anastasia Beverly Hills is actually one of my new favorite brands as of the last 2 months, and I was really excited to find out that the founder of the brand actually curated this box, which is why there are so many products in here from her. So we can start with this lip color. It is the it's an Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid lipstick in colors Trust Issues. I was super impressed with the color, and I love how dark and vampy it is. Definitely within the colors that I've chosen for myself. I actually just started using a clear brow gel anyways. I like really basic brows. I'm kind of behind the times in terms of people doing really big filled in brows, but I do like clear brow gel just because it gives it a little bit more definition, and I really love what this did. It dried super clear. It doesn't even really feel like anything, but it definitely gives a little bit more definition and nice shape and adds to my natural brows as is. This next product is the OA, I believe you say it, texturizing hairspray. I used it briefly, and I literally just tousled it through my hair a little bit to give it some body. I actually just did the beard bead and hair video, but it did give it a little bit of body and was super lightweight and doesn't actually feel like anything, so I don't hate it. It definitely seems like a decent product. The next product I'm going to talk about is actually probably of my favorites on the box, and that is the First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Face Moisturizer. I actually debated this product before it was in the box, and I actually thought something else was coming in the box. Something with coconut something. I was actually really thrilled to see this because, as I said, I was debating this in Ulta a few weeks ago, and I have such sensitive skin, I kind of just didn't want to chance it. Even in the 3 or 4 days I've used this product, I think I've seen a huge difference. My skin seems more even and softer, and I've been looking for a good moisturizer, and truthfully, I really think I found it. I could not be happier with this. And considering I wanted to try it anyways, this was a way more affordable way to try it. Having such sensitive skin, I'm kind of always on the fence about trying new things and spending a bunch of money to break out. Once I tried it, I absolutely fell in love. It is really silky smooth and it soaks in really nicely. I feel like my skin is more even. My pores are smaller. The color is definitely more even. I've been using it twice a day for a few days now, and I really couldn't be happier with the result. I'm absolutely in love with this product. This next product is the Wander Mile High Club Mascara. I did try it on my natural lashes. Truthfully, my natural lashes suck, which is why I always have fake eyelashes on. They're really tiny and sparse and small. For my natural lashes, I did absolutely nothing, which there's only like a handful of mascaras I've ever found I actually like. So these really didn't do a lot for me. It's not a product I'd buy outside of the box. Which that was actually a bonus gift. As was the Wander Beauty Baggage Claim Gold Eye Masks, which will actually be another video. That's not something I can do right this second. But now we're getting to the main reason I actually purchased this subscription box, which is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Highlighting Palette, the Moonchild Glow Kit, which as of right now I do actually have pink heart on. This palette alone was so worth the box. I mean, the quality is beautiful, the colors are beautiful. So, because I have tattoos and I thought it might be a little harder to swatch this palette, I did lay down a kind of a thick full coverage Physicians Formula BB cream, and then I set that with a setting powder. So I'm just going to swatch each of these on my arm, and I do actually have a shadow switching palette that I'm going to use to clean the brush in between. This is the Blue Ice. Oh, they're coming up really nice. That Blue Ice is like a beautiful periwinkle. I'll thicken that up a little bit more. This one here is the Pink Heart. This is the most recommended for all skin tones, and this is actually, I believe, what I'm wearing in the video right now as well. So those are so pretty. Oh my goodness. So we have Blue Ice, Star. So Blue Ice is like a white with very light blue and purple undertones, it looks like. The Star is very silvery. The Purple Horseshoe is more of like a deep purple. The Pink Heart, which again is recommended for all skin tones, has really nice pink tones to it. The Lucky Clover is almost like a really light seafoam green. And then finally the Blue Moon is like a lavender purple, which these two are actually some of my personal favorites, but I think the palette is so versatile for any kind of look you're going to do, even for like a cooler iced out blue look, or even like a warm, a warmer neutral look. You could use either of these for. So I think it's a really versatile palette, and I mean, for the size of these pans, you really do get a ton. I couldn't be happier with it. So the eyeshadow switching pan I was talking about is this. It's actually from Ulta. It's $10. It comes in a little tin like this. You can wet down this, which I actually didn't do because highlighters are pretty light and these are definitely kind of powdery, so I wasn't worried about it. This is a dry cleaning area, this black part, where you can brush off the excess powder, and then if you need to, this you can wet down to fully clean your brushes to go between colors. So I hope you enjoyed this beauty box review. Again, all of the products in this box today were cruelty-free, which is very important to me, and I hope it's important to you. It was absolutely amazing and a fantastic way to try a bunch of products for really, really cheap. So for my first beauty box, I'm definitely pretty impressed. I really love most of what came in the box, especially the face moisturizer. I couldn't be happier with that, but I mean the brow gel, the lip color, I love the color of the lip. My brows look absolutely fantastic. And of course the highlighting palette, which all the colors are fantastic. I think I have pink heart on right now. On my cheekbones, on my brows, down my nose, and on my chin. You can definitely see it shine as I move. In the next week or so, I'll be doing the 24 karat eye masks by Wander. So we'll see how those go. Until next time. I'm waiting for my dogs to stop fucking fighting so that I can still record. I've been recording for 3 hours, and that jumbo was my dogs hitting the tripod because they're fucking wild right now.
All right.
I'm lucky the tripod didn't break. This is my life, guys.